next up we have Krystique Angel.
Na 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 na. Stepping on the streets, say you know who my be. Stepping on the streets, say you know who my be. Watch my style, watch my breathe, watch me if you know what I mean. Stepping on the streets, say you know who my be. Stepping on the streets, say you know who my be. Watch my style, watch my breathe, watch me if you know what I mean. Multi-talented girl, I never heard of. Pass me the mic, make me push it a little further. Well, strap and ready up for the warfare. Done a man, lyrics and armor, so children drawing here. Back a lipping, back a sitting, just a one palm. My name, why she this, why she that? But you can't bring me to shame. Love I all the while, you all look smart if you dare. Not a time to waste people, success of mine. Truly best, highly favored. Never back man, nobody for them all labor. Surround myself with real people, no fakers. Work hard for what I got, money chaser, chaser. Stepping on the streets, say you know who my be. Stepping on the streets, say you know who my be. Watch my style, watch my breathe, watch me if you know what me. Success smell like sweat, live life, no regrets. I clean beat my chest, stay far pestilence. I've been to a lot full of experience. Never live fake life and I have 1 cent. Me a one girl when I easy to frighten. Them the people well easy to poison. Selling sort of fame and a Louis Vuitton. Is it with the word the price you are paying later on? Sheesh. Full of back of people, mindless sheep. Get drawn in a evil. Draw your children and listen when I speak. Stepping on the streets, then you know what I mean. Stepping on the streets, then you know who I be. Stepping on the streets, then you know who I be. Watch my style, watch my breathe, watch me, then you know what I mean. Stepping on the streets, then you know who I be. Stepping on the streets, then you know who I be. Watch my breathe, watch me, then you know who I be.
People don't know who you be? Tell the people who you are.
Krystique Angel.
Now, we want you to remember that name, Krystique Angel, because she intends to walk away with season 3, $300,000. Yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
So, just out of the echo, if you win that money, what is your intention for it?
Well, I'm moving towards being an entrepreneur, so basically to invest in my business.
Okay, well said. And if you want to elaborate about your business, I'm seeing a whole lot of people here, alright? So always use the opportunity you have when it comes to business, alright? But that's your choice, alright? So make some noise for Krystique Angel.